Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to import car rent website RentGo from Crocoblock. This is the demo website. I will show you how to import this demo website. So let's get started. First go to Crocoblock website, then download the Crocoblock widget. So click on download. Look at here, download started. Download completed. Now go to our WordPress admin dashboard, then click on plugin and then add plugin, then upload plugin, then choose file, select this one and then click on open and click on install now, then click on activate plugin. Now click on let's go. We need to enter license key here to start the process. So go back to official website and copy the license key from here and paste here and click on get started. Then select full Crocoblock installation and click on install. We need to pick on theme from here, so I pick cover theme and then use child theme and then continue. These are the dynamic templates. Now I will select RentGo. This is RentGo. So click on start installation and then continue. Now select append demo content to my existing content and then click on continue. Now click on continue. Congratulations, you are all set. That means the demo content has import completed. Now open the website on a new tab. Look at here, this is the demo car rent website. If you want to make a website like this car rent site, please check the link from description box. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share.